Student, once again I will start your first chapter, and the name of first chapter is large number, and this is activity 5, and this activity is related with your nearest number. Which nearest number? Nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay, so first question of this activity is round of the given number to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So first part is that 41,389. So first is nearest 10. So what is the rule in nearest 10? We check two places. In nearest 10, check two places. Which two places? Ones place and tens place. Okay, ones place and tens place. See, in nearest 10 we check only ones place and tens place. Okay, now go back to question. Question is 41,389. So in this number, which digit in ones place? Which digit? Yes, 9 in ones place. So 9 is less than 5 or equals to 5 or more than 5? Yes, 9 is more than 5. So what you have to do? Yes, first you convert ones digit into 0, and because 9 is greater than 5, so you just converted tens digit, or you just add one more digit or one number in tens place. So which digit in tens place? Actually, which digit in tens place? 8 in tens place. So what you have to do? You just add one number in tens place. Okay, so you just add one number with 8. Okay, so 8 plus 1 equals to 9, and ones place converted into 0 means 9 0, and rest all the numbers, 100 place value, 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, all the place values are same. So the actual answer of this question is 41,390. Clear it? Very good. Now move to 100 place, and in 100 place again two rules. First one, if which two place value we have to check? Yes, tens place and 100 place. Okay, if tens place is less than 5, so what you have to do? Just converted tens and ones place into 0, and rest all the numbers, whatever the digit in 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, don't change any digit, and you do it same digit. So see, again move to actual number. Actual number is 41,389. means in tens place which digit? 8 in tens place. Okay, so 8 in tens place. So 8 is greater than 5 or less than 5? Yes, 8 is greater than 5. So first you converted tens place and ones place into 0, and now second, as you all knows, tens digit is greater than 5. So what you have to do, you just add one number in 100 place. So which digit in 100 place? Yes, which digit? Yes, 3 in 100 place. So what you have to do, you just add one number with 3, means 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So the exact answer of this number is 41,400. Understand? Now, nearest 1000. In this number, when we converted this number into nearest 1000, so which two digits you have to check? Yes, 100 place and 1000 place. Again here also two rules. If 100 place is less than 5, if 100 place is less than 5, so what you have to do, you just converted 100 place, tens place and ones place converted into 0, and rest all the digit whatever in 1000 place, 10,000 place, all are same, nothing you have to change. Okay, but second rule, if 100 place is greater than 5 or equals to 5, so you have to, again what you have to do, you just converted 100 place, tens place, ones place into 0, and you just add one number in 1000 place, and rest other numbers are same. So which digit in 100 place? Which digit in 100 place? Yes, tell me the digit. Yes, 3 in 100 place. So 3 is greater than 5, equals to 5 or less than 5? Yes, 3 is less than 5. So if you all know 3 is less than 5, so 100 place, tens place and 1 place converted into 0, means 0 0 0, and in 1000 place, yes, 3 is less than 5, that's why nothing you have to change, same number, means in 1000 place 1, so 1 remain 1, and 4 is also remain 4. So the correct answer of this part in nearest 1000 equals to 41,000. So you understand the first part of this question? Okay, now I will tell the second part of this question. Second part is 2,57,486. Once again I repeat this number, 2,57,486. okay, in this number, now this number in nearest 10, we have to convert this number in nearest 10. So nearest 10 is, first move to quotient, and quotient is 2,57,486. in this number, which is ones place, which digit in ones place and which digit in tens place? So in ones place 6 and in tens place 8. Okay, so nearest 10. So first we check the ones digit. So here also two rules you all know. So ones digit, if the ones digit is less than 5, you just do, yes, you converted ones digit into 0 and rest all the digits, whatever the digit, nothing you have to change, you just write all the numbers same. Okay, but in second rule, if ones digit is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted one's digit into 0, but you just add one number in tens place and rest all the digit, whatever the digit in 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, lakhs place, all are same, nothing you have to change. So the now again move to question is 2,57,486. so the actual answer of this number is 2,57,490. How? Because 6 is greater than 5, means 6 converted into 0 and 6 is greater than 5. So you just add one number to tens place. So which digit in tens place? 8 in tens place. So you just add 8 plus 1 equals to 9. That's why the exact answer of this part is 2,57,490. Okay. Now nearest 100. In nearest 100 you check tens place and thousand place. So which digit in tens place? Yes, which digit? Yes, 8 in tens place. So you see that 8 is, yes, 8 is also bigger than 5. So you just converted tens place and ones place into, yes, very good, in 0. And one number, you just add one number in 100 place. One number in 100 place and rest all the numbers. Nothing you have to change. You just write same digits. Okay. So the exact answer of this question is 2,57,500. How 5 comes? Because 4 in 100 place. So you just add 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Clear it? Now 1000, nearest 1000, same number but converted into nearest 1000. Okay. So in nearest 1000, you check 100 place and 1000 place. So which digit in 100 place? 4 in 100 place. So is 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5 or equals to 5? Yes, 4 is less than 5. So here what you have to do? You just converted 100 place, tens place and ones place into 0 and rest whatever the digit in 1000 place, 10,000 place and in lakhs place, nothing you have to change. You just write same the number. So what is the actual digit in 1000 place? 7. 7 is actual digit. So you just write down 2,57 because 100 place in 100 place, 4 in 100 place and 4 is less than 5 and in 1000 place 7. When 4 is less than 5, so nothing you have to change in 1000 place. Means the exact answer of this part is 2,57,000. Clear it? Can I explain another? Okay, I will explain another part of this question. This part is 9,74,171. Once again I repeat the number 9,74,171. This is very easy number and you all catch or understand how to solve nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000 in this number. See, first is nearest 10. So in this number, which digit in ones place? 1 in ones place. And which digit in tens place? 7 in tens place. Okay. So in ones place, one number. So is 1 is less than 5 or equals to 5 or greater than 5? Yes, 1 is less than 5. So you just converted one number into 0 and rest all the numbers. Rest all the numbers are same. including tens place also, because in tens place which digit? 7. As you know that one's digit is less than 5, so you just converted one's digit into 0 and tens digit is remains same. Which digit in tens place? 7. So 7 remains 7. Means the nearest 10 of this number is 9,74,170. 9,74,170. Clear it? Now nearest 100 of this question. Same question, 9,74,171, and you have to find out the nearest 100 of this question. So in nearest 100 we check tens place and 100 place. So which digit in tens place? 7 in tens place. When you know that which digit in tens place, then what you have to do is tens place is greater than or less than or equals to? Yes, tens place is greater than 5. So you just add one number in 100 place and converted tens place and ones place into 0. So the exact answer, first of all, which digit in 100 place? 1 in 100 place, and you just add one more number with 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Okay, so 2 in 100 place and tens place and 1 place converted into 0. So the exact answer of this number is 9,74,200. Once again I repeat the answer, 9,74,200. Now nearest 1000 of this number. So in nearest 1000 we check again two places, that is 100 place and 1000 place. So 100 place, which digit in 100 place? 1, and 1 is, yes, 1 is less than 5. So you just converted 100 place, tens place and 1 place into 0. Before I tell the answer, first of all you just add anything in 1000 place? No. Why? Because 100 place is less than 5. That's why nothing you have to change in 1000 place, and rest other numbers are also same. So the exact answer of this number is 9,74,000. Once again I repeat the answer, 9,74,000. Understand? I hope you all understand. Or once I will tell one more. Okay, this is the D part, and question is 3,57,886. Once again I repeat the number, 3,57,886. Now in nearest 10, first we check two digits, that is ones place and tens place, and in this number ones place is 6. Which digit? 6 in ones place, and 6 is, yes, 6 is greater than 5. So you just converted ones digit into 0 and you just add one number in tens place. So which digit in tens place? 8 in tens place. So you just add 8 with 1. Means the exact answer of this number is 3,57,890. Once again I repeat the answer of this part, 3,57,890. Okay, now nearest 100 of this number. Question is 3,57,886. So in nearest 100 you check tens place and 100 place. So which digit in tens place? Which digit? Yes, 8 in tens place. And we all know 8 is greater than 5. So what you have to do? You just converted tens digit and ones digit into 0, and you just add one number in 100 place. So which digit in 100 place? 8 in 100 place. So you just add one number with 8. So the exact answer of this number is 3,57,900. Clear it? Now move to nearest thousand of same number. Number is 3,57,886, and in nearest thousand again we find out two place value, that is 100 place value and 1000 place value. 100 place value is which digit in 100 place value? 8 in 100 place value. And when you find out, or when you know that 8 in 100 place value and 8 is greater than 5, so you just converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0. And what you have to do? You just add one more number with 1000 place. So which digit in 1000 place? 7 in 1000 place. So what you have to do? Just add one number with 7. Okay, means 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So the exact answer of this part is 3,58,000. I hope you all understand all the parts. And now rest parts I will give in the activity time, and you do it in a very quick way. I know that because you all are very intelligent and you all understand these types of questions, how to find out the number in nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. Okay? Now students, this is second part or second question. This is rounded off nearest 10,000. Means you have to convert it the number nearest 10,000. In nearest 10,000, you check two values. Which two values? Or which place values? Which two place values? Yes. When you find out the nearest 10,000, you check 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. Okay. So the question is rounded off the number to the nearest 10,000. And first part of this question is A part, 81,56,743. Once again I repeat the number 81,56,743. In this number, first you check which digit in 1000 place and which digit in 10,000 place. So you all knows when 1000 period start. Just after 1 comma 1000 period start. And just after 1 comma, which place value? Yes, 1000 place value. And after 1000 place value, 10,000 place value. So which digit in 1000 place? 6 in 1000 place. And after 6, 5 in 10,000 place. So here second rule apply. In second rule, 6 is greater than 5. And when 6 is greater than 5, what you have to do? You just converted 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place into 0. And you just add one more number in 10,000 place, because 1000 place is greater than 5. So which digit in 10,000 place? 5 in 10,000 place. So you just add one more number in 10,000 place, means 5 plus 1 equals to 6, and rest whatever digit in lakhs place, it doesn't matter, you just write same digits. So the exact answer of this part is 81,60,000. Clear it? Okay, now move to B part of this question. B part is 49,38,625. So here also you check two places. Which two places? 1000 place and 10,000 place. And you all knows after 1 comma 1000 place start. So just after 1 comma, which digit come? 8. 8 comes, and after 8, 3. So here you see that 8 in 1000 place, and you all know 8 is greater than 5. So first what you have to do, you just converted 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place into 0, and you add one more number in 10,000 place. So which digit in 10,000 place? 3 in 10,000 place. So you just add one more number in 10,000 place, means you just add one number with 3, means 3 plus 1 equals to 4, and whatever the digit in lakhs place, it doesn't matter, you just write same digit. So the exact answer of this part is 49,40,000. Now move to C part. C part is 86,34,116. This is a very easy part. So listen carefully. 86,34,116. So in this question, which digit in 1000 place? First tell me when 1000 period is start. Yes, after 1 comma 1000 period is start, and just after 1 comma which place value? 1000 place value. So which digit in 1000 place value? 4 is 1000 place value, and just after 1000 place value which digit come? 3. So first of all tell me, is 1000 place value is greater than or equals to or less than? Yes, 1000 place value is less than 5. When you know that 1000 place value is less than 5, so first you converted 1000 place value, 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, and when you find out the 1000 place value is less than 5, so you converted 10,000 place value? No, you not converted 10,000 place value, because 1000 place value is less than 5. Okay, and rest whatever the digit in lakhs period, it doesn't change. So the exact answer of this part is 86,30,000. Okay, now the last part. Can I explain? Okay, I will explain you the last part, because in this part 3 commas. Okay, and 3 commas means 4 period, and 4th period is crores periods. Okay, why I explain? Because if you have a confusion, so your confusion is clear. After I will explain, first I will explain this one, then your confusion will be clear. Okay, so this part is 2 comma 51 comma 17 comma 867. Once again I repeat the number 2 comma 51 comma 17 comma 867. So here also first you check 2 place values. Which 2 place values? Yes, 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. And when 1000 place value start just after 1 comma. Okay, so just after 1 comma, which digit? 7 digit. And just after 7, 1. So which digit in 1000 place? 7 in 1000 place. So first of all, tell me, is 1000 place is less than 5, equals to 5, or greater than 5? Yes, 1000 place is greater than 5. When you find out this one, that 1000 place is greater than 5, so first what you have to do, you just converted 1000 period, 100 period, 10s period and 1s period into 0. And now what you have to do in 10,000 place? When 1000 place is greater than 5, you just add one more number in 10,000 place. So which digit in 10,000 place? Actually 1 in 10,000 place. So you just add one more number with 1. So 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And rest, whatever the digit in lakhs period and whatever the digit in crores period, nothing you have to change in that period. All are same. So the exact answer of this part is 2 comma 51 comma 20 comma 000. Once again I repeat, 2 comma 51 comma 20 comma 000. So I hope you all understand these types of question. Okay, so whenever such types of question comes in front of you, always kept in mind which place value you have to check. Okay, very good. Now the practice time. In this practice time, I will ask some questions related with your nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000 and nearest 10,000. Whatever I taught you in the class, I will ask such types of questions. So again, first question is that rounded off the given number to nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. So A part, I just gave the hint, but you have to do all the questions by your own way. Okay, so first part is 85 comma 19 comma 476. Once again I repeat the number 85 comma 19 comma 476. So when you converted this number to nearest 10, then you check only 1's place value and 10's place value. If 1's place value is less than 5, you just converted 1's place value into 0 and rest all the numbers, 10's place, 100 place, 1000 place, whatever the place, all are same. But if 1's place is same 5 or more than 5, if 1's place is same as 5 or more than 5, then also you converted 1's digit into 0 and just add one more number in 10's place. Whatever the number in 10's place, you just add one more number in 10's place, and rest whatever number in 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, whatever the digit, all are same. Okay, understand? Now when this number is converted into 100, so at that time you see 10's place value and 100 place value. Okay, here also if 10's place is less than 5, so you converted 10's place value and 1's place value into 0 and rest 100 place 1000 place, 10,000 place, whatever the digit, all are same, nothing is changeable. But if tens place is same as 5 or more than 5, so here also you converted tens place and ones place into 0, but you have to add one more number in 100 place, and rest 1000 place, 10,000 place, whatever the place is left, all are same. Okay, now same here, when you converted same number into nearest 1000, so in nearest 1000 you have to check 100 place value and 1000 place value. Okay, so in 100 place value, here is also two rules. If 100 place value is less than 5, so you converted 100 place value, tens place value, ones place value into 0, and 1000 place, 10,000 place, whatever the place is, all are same, nothing is changeable. But if 100 place is same as 5 or more than 5, so what you have to do, again you converted 100 place value, tens place value, ones place value into 0, but you have to add one more number in 1000 place, and rest 10,000 place and rest other places all are same. Understand? Now B part of this question. B part of this question is 4, 67, 21, 982. 4, 67, 21, 982. In this question also, first you have to convert this number into nearest 10. So nearest 10, check only two place value. Which are they? Ones place and tens place. Yes, very good. If ones place is less than 5, then nothing is changed in tens place. And see here 3 commas means 4 period, and 4th period is crore period, means this is crores value. So if ones place is less than 5, so nothing is changeable, you just converted ones place into 0 and tens place remains same. After that ones place also remains same, comma, 1000 place also remains same, lakhs place also remains same, and crore place is also remains same, nothing is changeable. But if this number, but if ones place is more than 5 or remain 5, same as 5, then also you converted ones digit into 0, but you have to add one more number in tens place, means you have to add one number in tens place, whatever the digit in tens place, you just add one number in tens place, and rest 100 place, then comma, then 1000 place, 10,000 place, comma, lakhs place, 10 lakhs place, comma, crore place, all are same. So you just change in tens place only, in nearest 10. Now move to nearest 100. In nearest 100, here also you check two digit, that is tens place and 100 place. Here is also two rules. If tens place is less than 5, so you just converted tens place and ones place into 0. Now 100 place remains same, nothing is changeable, then comma, and after that lakhs place, 1000 period, then comma, lakhs period, and then comma, crore periods, all are same, nothing is changeable. But second rule, if tens place is 5 or more than 5, then also you have to convert tens place and ones place into 0, and 100 place, what you have to do in 100 place, you just add one more number in 100 place. Whatever the digit in 100 place, you just add one more number. Then thousands period, lakhs period and crores period all are same, nothing is changeable. Clear it? So now second part is also clear. Now C part of this question. C part is 74,186. 74,186. Here also, when you converted this number to nearest 10, again what you have to do? First you see two place value, that is ones place and tens place. Here also two rules. If ones place is nearest, if ones place is less than 5, so you converted ones digit into 0 and rest all the digits. Tens digit remains same because ones digit is less than 5, so nothing is changeable in tens place, remains same, and rest 100 place, 1000 place and 10,000 place remains same. Clear it? If this number is nearest 100, so nearest 100, check tens place and 100 place. If tens place, here is also two rules. If tens place is less than 5, so you converted tens place and ones place into 0. Now 100 place, what you have to do in 100 place? Not changeable because tens place is less than 5, so don't change 100 place value, and rest 1000 place and 10,000 place remains same. Second rule, if tens place is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted tens place and ones place into 0, but you have to add one more number in 100 place. You just add one more number in 100 place, okay, and 1000 place and 10,000 place remains same. Okay, now if this number is converted into 1000 number, then also you see two place value, that is 100 place value and 1000 place value. If 100 place value is less than 5, so you converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, and 1000 place is remains same because 100 place value is less than 5. Now 10,000 place value, nothing is changeable. You just write down whatever the number in 10,000 place value, just write down this number, that number. But if 100 place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you change 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, and you have to add one more number in 1000 place. Whatever the digit in 1000 place, you just add one more number in 1000 place, and after that the 10,000 place value remains same. Okay, clear it? Now last part of this question. Last part is 7,81,942. I repeat once again, 7,81,942. Here is also, when you converted this number nearest 10, so again first you see ones place value and tens place value. If ones place value is less than 5, so you converted ones place value into 0 and nothing is changed in tens place value. And after that, whatever the place values are there, nothing is changeable. You just write down same the digits in that place value. But if one's place value is more than 5 or 5, then also you converted one's place value into 0, but you add one number in tens place value. Whatever the digit in tens place value, you just add one more number in tens place. After that, whatever the digit, 100 100 place value, 1000 place value, whatever the place values are there, nothing is changeable. You just write same place values. Okay. If this number converted to nearest 100, then also you check tens place value and 100 place value. Here also, if tens place value is less than 5, so you converted tens place value and ones place value into 0, and 100 place value remains same, nothing is changeable. After that, whatever the place values are left, nothing is changeable. You just write down same place value. But if tens place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted tens place value and ones place value into 0, but you add one more number in 100 place. Whatever the digit in 100 place, you just add one more number in 100 place, and now rest, whatever the place value comes, nothing is changeable. In 100, nearest 100. Now move to nearest 1000. If this number is converted nearest 1000, then also you check only 100 place value and 1000 place value. If 100 place value is less than 5, so you converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0. After that, 1000 place value, nothing is changeable in 1000 place value because 100 place value is less than 5. After that, whatever the digits are left, nothing you have to write down. You just write same digits. But if 100 place value is 5 or more than 5, 100 place value is 5 or more than 5, then what you have to do? Then also you converted 100 place value, tens place value and ones place value into 0, but you have to add one more number in 1000 place. Whatever the digit in 1000 place, you just add one more number in 1000 place, and rest all the numbers are same, nothing is changeable. Like this you have to solve nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Okay, so you all understand? Very good. Now second question is rounded off the number to the nearest 10,000. Rounded off the number to the nearest 10,000. Here is also 4 part. In first part, 67,421. This is the first part. 67,421. So I will explain only this part, and rest you have to do by your own. You just make your mind and solve these questions. So first part is 67,421. Here in 10,000 you check only two place value, that is 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. If 1000 place value is less than 5, so what you have to do? You just converted 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place into 0, and rest 10,000 place is remains same. And after that, if any place value is there, so just write down same place values, nothing is changeable. But if 1000 place value is remains same or more than 5, if 1000 place value is 5 or more than 5, then also you converted 1000 place, 100 place, tens place and ones place into 0, but you have to add one more digit in 10,000 place. Whatever the digit in 10,000 place, nothing is matter, you just add one more digit in 10,000 place. And after that, if any digit is there, you just write same digit, nothing is changeable. Like this you have to solve nearest 10,000. Okay. Now second part is 8,43,79. I just give a little hint. Little hint is that how you find out the 1000 in 10,000, nearest 10,000, how you find out? Yes, after 1 comma, because after 1 comma 2 periods and second period is 1000 period, and in 1000 period, two place values, 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. So it is very easy to find out how to solve nearest 10,000 of this question. Okay, now third part, 13, 98, 471. Same whatever I told you earlier part, same thing you have to use here. And now last part, 8, 64, 37, 190. I repeat this number, 8, 64, 37, 190. Okay, so I hope you all understand and you all knows that how to solve these types of question in a very easy way. And I hope you all enjoying this topic. Okay, so goodbye.